Guys, have you seen that thing where Ivana wrote on the fridge?
Ivana is here. Ito yung hinahanap ko. This is it. I found it.
I'm holding it. Okay, must I hold it? Can I hold it? It's permanently here. It's permanent.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hello world, we are at the Haier Showroom in Manila and we are looking at the place. Like they have a smart bedroom, they have smart kitchen, smart living room, upgrade to these smart appliances. I feel so at home over here. Like this is my kitchen, guys.
Stumbled upon this place, so it looks nice. It's quite elegant. So we will look to see what we're gonna buy, and then hopefully we'll get a TV or a fridge that's cool. So let's see what we have.
Minimalist.
Minimalistic vibe. I like that vibe.
You like the vibe? The minimalist, clean type of look and feel. I think that's a twin tub that you're looking at. Wow, I can fit in here. Any I can wash in here. This is the ideal living room, kitchen slash. Have you seen that? Have you seen this fridge? What? It's the freeze is 20. Ooh.
Look at the fridge. All the goods.
So you can put your recipes in here, and then while you're cooking, it can show you. I don't know if there's a recipe in here. Oh, it's loading. Okay. Oh, you can watch. Oh, hi Alexa. So you can also watch YouTube while you are cooking and. Wow. Oh, what is? Oh, you can. Hey. All right. That's cool.
Tristan, check here.
Food tags.
You can check what's inside
It's
the
like a
fridge.
smart TV. It's like a smartphone, smart
Look
everything.
here. You can check what's in the fridge.
Huh? Wait up. Oh, so you don't need to. You don't need to open it, and you can
So
say,
don't
okay,
say there's no Coke.
okay. So there's no more Coke. There's no more what. Like this one is like milk, so you can type it and say milk.
3 days expiry date also. Oh.
So you can say milk, and you can say it expires in 3 days, and you say okay. So yeah, then it says the milk. Wow, this is so awesome.
So if you want, you can go to YouTube.
There we go. There we are. Hey! Can you subscribe? Guys, have you seen that thing where Ivana wrote on the fridge?
Ivana is here. Ito yung hinahanap ko. This is it. I found it.
I'm holding it. Okay, must I hold it? Can I hold it? It's permanently here. It's permanent. Wow, guys, look at this. So this is the fridge that she showcased, and this is really so nice. I was wondering like what type of lechon does it have inside, so you can fit a whole lechon in here. You can fit me all in here, man. Next time you see me with this fridge, specifically with this one, nah, I don't think they'll ever give this away because of this, right? Ah. Guys, it's even asking you what's the weather like in London, okay? This is aircon heater, high tech. Wow, this living room is so nice. breakfast time. Let's have some breakfast, guys. All right, guys. So this is. Oh, Annie's cooking. Hold on. So we are cooking.
Yeah, so kids, what do you think about the fridge and the TVs and the stuff?
Really cool.
Right?
Pretty high tech. When you come in here, Lourdes is the one that's going to come and show you the showroom and then show you the places.
Yes, it's very friendly.
Hi everyone! Come and visit our shop here at Quezon City, Bagong Bayan.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. So if you want to hire, hello. Loving this kitchen, guys. This is higher for me.